What do you think? This light that I'm using right now for this video, as you can guess by the title of it, is made out of a cake pan. Now the idea comes from Daniel Schiffer. He's one of the YouTubers I follow, video creator. He posted a tutorial about how to make this kind of light out of a cake pan using an LED strip light, sheeted diffusion, cake pan. But basically it gives you this nice soft light on your face, which is very flattering in videos. The professional version of this light, the Aperture, I think 300D that everyone uses, costs a lot of money. The light itself I think is close to $1,000, then you gotta get the stand and the softbox, so it's really expensive. But this on the other hand cost me about $50. Now, whether or not I like it, that's a whole nother thing, because from Daniel Schiffer's video, I loved it. I was like, that looks awesome, I need that. I need to figure out how to make this. And you just order up all of your materials, get the LED strip light, and Daniel Schiffer said to make sure that you get daylight white. But I just followed the link to his, because he has all the stuff linked down below, and I'll link his video down below so you can check that one out too. He's the original one who did this. But yeah, this is what the strip light looks like. At the very end of the strip light, you have this part where you can plug it into your power source and then light it. So that is one of the things that you will get. And then also the cake pan itself. And so basically that LED strip light has just got an adhesive, and you just wrap it around the side. You also order this clamp that will be able to mount to a tripod, and that's how it is right now. I'll show you that as well. And then you order a sheet of diffusion to throw over it. He threw 2, so I threw 2 over just to really soften that light and not make it so harsh on your skin. And why do you want soft light? Well, it like reduces the shadows. If you have blemishes on your face, it helps to cover them. It just makes you look more appealing. So let's get into why I'm not really a fan of this light. I don't know if I'm crazy, but I swear every time I turn this light on, I'm just like, it looks pinkish, bluish, not daylight white. I thought they sent me the wrong LED strip light when I got it, because on the box it said one product number, and then on the instructions inside it's got a different product number. So I told them about it, I got some new stuff, and it's the exact same color. When I filmed the light directly, it looks white, but then when it's cast on my skin, I know I'm part ginger, so I tend to look red or whatever, but I expected either like a pure white or a slightly warm temperature to the light. And right now I'm filming with my white balance set to daylight as well. And I don't know, like maybe I'll feel a little different once I get this footage up on the editing software and I get ready to post it to YouTube. But when I'm looking at it after I film it, and then also through the camera monitor that I have mounted above it right now, I just am not in love with the look, and I feel like it doesn't look nearly as good as Daniel's did. I think that I will continue to use it, like I said, unless I get into editing and I'm just like, no. So I was kind of bummed that, this wasn't as cool as I thought it was gonna be. It's still a decent supplement, I think, right now for an Aperture 300D. If I wasn't using this light, I would be using just strictly the window, which is right next to me. And yeah, let me just show you the difference. So you've got here right now, and then if I just crack the shades open, so as you can see, when I don't use the light and I just use the shades, like yeah, the light's nice, but it behaves differently in this room. So you can be the judge of which one you like better, and maybe you want to invest in something like this too. But anyways, like I said, I'm gonna link Daniel Schiffer's video down below. And if you want to see me do more review videos or vlogs or tutorials, I don't know if I've really even done a tutorial yet, but they're going to be coming. My main problem right now is I need someone to film me, and I don't really have anyone right now. But if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, the whole deal. And I'll see you in the next one.